Hey, what's up there? Today I have here this, it's a Dremel cordless tool. This was given to me by a friend. This is supposed to be broken, so this is the charger. And I've been messing around with this, and I've already managed to fix one of these inside, one of the pins where the battery touches to feed power to it. It was not in place. I managed to fix it, and I'm uh, uh, I'm pretty sure that this still works. So I'm gonna keep it. It's handy. But the battery, I'm not sure if this is completely dead, or if it simply was drained to a point where it does not charge anymore because lithium lithium ion batteries have this problem that if you discharge them over let's say a critical point, they won't charge again. So I'll start by opening this as somebody cut the wire. Not sure if this is the thing which is broken. I'll try and open this and see what's going on inside. To open this, I'll need here my little set of screwdrivers, and these bolts are those bloody bolts with triangles on. Can you see it? I don't have triangles, but I'll use this one, which is quite small, and I think I can fit it there. No, I need something smaller than that in order to open that. Okay, I don't have a screwdriver that fits here, but I have one of these. Not sure if you can see it well. And this is, in Portuguese we call it lima. This is pretty much one of those things you use to like scratch metal, and like if it's like this and you want to put it smooth, you just use this. And the point for this thing, I'm not sure if you can see, is a triangle that fits perfectly in these bolts. See? How cool. Old tools still work with new things. That's why I always keep old stuff. Some people think I'm just keeping rubbish. Well, I don't mind what they think. Honestly, most of the times when I'm building my things, if you like to build stuff like I do, old things like this, old tools, old electrodomestic, I don't know, anything, those things can be very handy. So let's pull this one out. This is what we have in. We'll pull it out, and ooh, all we have here is this board, and basically this is just two wires and a couple of diodes, a capacitor, a LED light, and the two pads that charge the battery. So I'm starting to think that this is actually in a good condition. Probably the battery was drained, and that's the reason why it does not charge anymore. Well, let's see. I'll find a way to test this. Be back in a minute. I'm testing this on the bench, and I can see that it gives me almost 12 volts power. but when I put the battery in, it does not charge. It should lit up the green LED and it's not happening. So I am pretty much sure that the problem, it is not with the charger. The problem is with the battery. So let's open that. How does this crap open? And so this is the battery, and it's stuck here inside. This is just a casing and the metal clips. And so these are the lithium ion cells that are inside of that. Let's see. Current. It only gives me like 234. Okay. These batteries, let's say, they're pretty much dead. There's not much you can do about it. I'll try and replace these with something like this. Not sure if this fits inside. No, but 3 of these might fit, or 2 inside this casing. Yeah, 2 will fit inside this casing. So I'll replace it with 2 of these. Okay, in order to fix this battery, I've been doing this, keeping those 2 metallic things in place. They now are gonna go here inside, and then they will show here, one up here on this side and one on the other side. I'm gonna stick it in here, but before doing that, I'll connect here 2 wires, one for the negative and one for the positive, and then I'll pull those wires out to connect to the lithium ion batteries. Okay, this is how I managed to put these connectors together. Now these are gonna go inside this one, like this, and you have the connectors there. I'm gonna use 2 of these. They're gonna go here inside, like this, and the wires will plug to them, and then they'll feed the power to the Dremel. And I have also altered this. This was, not sure if this was broken, but I didn't need it the way it was, so it was altered. Now it has 2 direct wires, which will be to feed. It's gonna work like the like the XT60 for this battery, except that instead of being an XT60, I'll have here 2 connectors and the other 2 here inside. And I'll simply put this here in order to charge. It's gonna work like this, and then this cap's gonna go up on this, and here on the back side I'm gonna have a balance plug to balance charge it. Okay, so I got this battery pack done. I will simply put it inside here and then I'll fit it to the Dremel. So it goes in like this. Final product, balance charge, and